My name is Gene Kelley, and I'm an attorney, an adoption attorney in Rogers, Arkansas. And you might wonder why I am presenting a website that says Missouri Adoption Legal Services. And the reason I'm doing that is because historically, and I've been doing this for about 30 years, I have worked with many couples from southwest Missouri and across the state of Missouri, but primarily from southwest Missouri. We're approximately here in Rogers about 2 hours from Springfield, Missouri. Over the course of my career, I have placed more than 1,000 children. I believe that at least a third of them are in southwest Missouri. And part of the reason I've been having such an interest with Missouri couples is because Arkansas adoption laws are so much different than Missouri adoption laws. And just to kind of whet your appetite, and I know that you're doing a lot of research on this, but in Arkansas, an adoption can be completed within 6 days from birth. That's a final adoption. The other thing is that in Arkansas, a birth mother can sign prenatal consents to adoption before the birth of the baby, which we generally do. This allows you to know that your birth mother is committed before the baby is born. Another thing that's very important in Arkansas is that we have a putative father registry, and you have one in Missouri, but there's a vast difference in it. In Arkansas, if the putative father hasn't registered with the state of Arkansas prior to the birth of the baby and the filing of the petition for adoption, he's out. And 80% of our adoptions, we proceed with a certificate from the Arkansas Putative Father Registry that says no one has registered. And this is airtight. And so, whereas in other states they have a period of time after the birth of the baby to register, well, we don't have to be concerned with that. So there's other advantages to adopting in the state of Arkansas, and I'm not going to go into them in detail now. I have another website which I'm going to incorporate into this website, and it's called ArkansasAdoptionLegalServices.com. And what I talk about on that website is applicable to Missouri residents. And so I invite you to take a look at the Arkansas website, and then I also encourage you to contact me if you are interested in exploring this further. Now, one other thing that I want to tell you is this. We have the opportunity here in Arkansas to do things that you can't do in Missouri. For example, attorneys in Missouri cannot advertise or look for or assist in finding or counseling with birth mothers, whereas in Arkansas, attorneys can do everything that an agency can do. So the range of services that I can provide are much greater than what are available in the state of Missouri by your licensed adoption attorneys. Another thing that's important is that I also offer a program where I coach you to help find your own birth mother. And we have been having about 30 to 40% of our adoptions now where they are the result of people finding their own birth mothers. And under those circumstances, you can save anywhere from 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and even 80% of the price of an agency adoption if we work together and you're successful. Now, I can't guarantee that you're going to be successful, but I can at least offer you another option. And I assure you that there are a lot of people that have been successful in finding their own birth mothers. Now, you might say, I don't know anybody in Arkansas, I don't know how this can be done. But other people have said that, and other people have found a baby in Arkansas. So I invite you to consider looking at my Arkansas website, and then I invite you to give me a call. Thank you.